In today's video, I'll teach you how to disable read receipts on Line app. So if you do not want others to see the read receipts on the Line app, for that what you have to do is first of all open the Line application. So normally in the Line app, you'll not be able to find the direct option for disabling the read receipts, but if you want to read the message but do not want others to know, what you can do is simply read it via the notification. Whenever you receive the message from Line, you'll be able to see it in the notification bar, so simply read it from there only. Like this, you can see the message but others will not know that you have seen it. Read receipt will not be sent. But sometimes this process might not work. They might have sent photos, videos or other medias. So in that case, what you can do is simply try to see the message in the airplane mode. Once you receive the message in Line, what you have to do is simply turn on the airplane mode. For that, scroll down from the top of your screen. After you do that, what you have to do is simply find the option for airplane mode and tap on it. Now wait for a while. Now the airplane mode will be turned on. After you do that, what you can do is simply open that particular chat. Now over here, you'll be able to read the message. Now once you read the message, close the Line application. Make sure to close it completely. Also close it from the background app. Now after that, what you have to do is turn off the airplane mode. Now once the airplane mode has been completely turned off, you can open the Line app. So like this, you'll be able to read the Line messages, but the read receipt will not go. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you disable read receipts on Line app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.